Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put an image in the header of Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I put an image in the header of Google Docs. At first you have to go insert menu. Now you can see here are headers and footers option. Now choose header option. Now you can see here are image insert image option. Click this insert image option and click upload from computer. Now go to your file location and choose your image, then press open. Now you can see I insert image into header. Now I resize this image to fit this header. Now click middle of the page. Now you can see I put an image in the header of Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.